What's up, fam? Let me say this real quick. Lawn care is not for dreamers. Stay tuned, I'll tell you all about it in a second. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And that's right, I said lawn care is not for dreamers. You can't come out here and think that you're gonna make $1 million in 2 years doing this type of work. This work requires some dedication in it. And what I say is also what I mean. Because just last year, I said that I wanted to have 300 new clients this year. Well, that was a dream. So my reality is that I cannot get 300 new clients in a year. So let me break this down, y'all. Fam, if you dreaming about something, that's just a dream. But if you write that dream down, that becomes your goal. Now, if you make a goal and you break it down in steps, that becomes a plan. And if you take action to the plan, that becomes reality. That's what I did when it came to those 300 new clients that I did not get. I realized that, but it required me to do some work. I am not living in La La Land anymore. Now, I am going to say this though. There is room for enough people to come into this type of work because most people who come in this work, they are dreamers. What we need people is those who come in who want to make a plan. So that's what I'm doing. And it's hard work, man. It is really hard work to make a plan. It's really hard work to take action to this plan. But the cool thing about it is you can do it. Take small bites of the elephant and you can do it. Here's what I mean by that. Well, if you're thinking that it's easy, then you wouldn't have no room and to do this right here because it had been sold up. Everybody loved the easy thing to do and it had been over with. No room for the guy who has no money, which is me and you, and most of us are not born with a father or a parent that can give them millions and millions of dollars. Now, I am encouraging you to take action to your dream. I am encouraging you for those people who say they want to start a lawn care business but have not taken those steps. Man, now is the time to take the steps. Why? This is the time where you come up with your concepts, your ideas to get ready for next year. Just like in sports, you know what I'm saying? Like for those people who play, a sport, if you really believe that you have an off season, you really don't play. There is no off season in the things that you're trying to do. Let's deal with your life. You must make plans and you must take action today. So take a small step. This is what I want you to do. All my guys who want to start in this type of business, I want you to write your dream in the comment section when it comes to this type of work. What do you want out of becoming a landscape entrepreneur? And guess what? If you write it in the comment section, you just set yourself a goal. Now, the next step is to break it down in steps. You have made you a plan. Then take steps or action towards it. You have set yourself your reality of what it is that you're going to be doing. So, fam, I didn't want to take a lot of time in this, but I do want to encourage you. So I have to make some steps towards fixing my problem when it comes to hiring new workers. And I know my reality in that it's changed since last year. I realized that I must look at it as it's going to be an ever turnover job. Just like the guy who works at McDonald's who is on fries. McDonald's know that ain't nobody gonna live off of what they're giving that fry maker. They're not gonna do it. But they know that they expect new people to come in. So what they have to do is what? Not try to fix the person, but fix how they train. Use less time. Like we spend too much time training for somebody to, not be with us after we put all that time in. So we need to figure out what is the best way to train to where it's effective and we don't have to spend a lot of time on it. So that's what we're coming up with. That's the plan. That's the strategy that we're putting together. We're going to try to put together videos for ourselves to give it to those people. So once we train them today, the next day they can actually look at the videos. Or check this out. Before they come in, they get to look at the videos before the interview, and we can see whether or not they watched our videos when they come in to do what is called an interview. So that's it, fam. Hope everything is cutting on for you guys. I know things may be slowing down for a few, but make that plan to keep working out the plan. All right, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.